20. Just in 5 minutes, we've added about 20 points on the Nifty, while the mid-cap index is up close to about 400 points. But let's talk commodities. Manisha is here with us. Manisha.
Thank you for that, Reema. I'm looking at metals because that is the best performer within the non-ferrous metal space there. We are looking at 4.5-month highs when it comes to the copper prices there. It's up 8% since the month of October, but for the year, it's up nearly 2% for 2023. This is going to be an annual gain for copper after last year of decline. But this is the only metal really that actually is looking at gains in comparison or in contrast to other metals there. Well, we are looking at supply disruptions. This is going to be a deficient year for the metal, and there is restocking in China that seems to be beginning now, and that is supportive for the metal prices there. Well, apart from that, there are mine supplies also being reported in Latin America. There are statements from Anglo-Americans suggesting that they are going to be cutting output to the tune of nearly 3% of what the global supply of copper is, and that is going to happen in 2024. That has been supportive. It also is about statements coming in from Vale, Rio Tinto, all of these other producers also, which have cut production guidance for 2024. Markets also are looking at the other metals which have seen a decline. So whether you look at zinc, aluminum, nickel, these have seen a decline anywhere between 5 to 25% on the weaker side for this year. So clearly, copper is emerging as the best performer within the non-ferrous space there. This is going to be, by the way, a second straight year of decline for the other metals into the tertiary there. If you look at the positions on LME, CME and Shanghai, I mean, these are the three major exchanges in the world. They have moved on from net shorts to net longs, telling you that the hedge fund buying also seems to be supportive of where the fundamentals are standing at this point. If you look at the outlook for 2024, well, that is on the bearish side. Currently, copper is trading at $8,600 a ton. Fitch expects it to slightly come down, and an average of 8,300 is what they're looking at. JP Morgan and Bank of America are talking about 9,000 to 9,750. Citi is the only one that believes that in next 12 months, you could be looking at an all-time highs in case of copper, $10,000 to start with, but they also have targets at 12,000 and 15,000 going forward. Just to tell you that copper's all-time high till time has been $10,700 a ton. So while most don't believe that copper will touch that in the next year, Citi clearly seems to be more bullish than them.
Okay, Manisha, thank you very much for that. That's Commodities in Focus. We'll take a quick commercial break here, and we'll be speaking